evening and welcome back to another adventure stop. I'm LJ and we're here at our favorite noodle place, the Shang Artisan Noodle, right behind us, right over there. So it's a busy night tonight. I don't know really what we're gonna do, but I think we're gonna go out and just eat some noodles and see what's fun tonight, all right? Come along. And what a crazy night it's turning out to be. It's really busy in there. It's about an hour wait, so I've been kind of just hanging out, waiting my turn here, and soon it's gonna be noodle time. So this place is definitely worth the wait. Even the noodles are so delicious, they're chewy, and the broth is so flavorful. It's definitely worth the hour wait. I really loved how this bottled Coke. It's delicious. It's so bubbly, so much flavor because it's made with real sugar. And this is what we're dealing with. Big chunks of bok choy. I added bean sprouts. Tender beef brisket. And nice thick cut, irregular, chewy, knife shaved noodles. This here is Chinese style black vinegar for extra flavor. Just a little bit in there. And these are the beef pancakes. Inside is tender beef that's been minced up, chopped up with onions, garlic, and other different flavors. That's like a dipping sauce. Wow. Those noodles are always the best. Oh, so delicious, man. All right, let's go check out the strip and see what the Las Vegas strip looks like tonight. All right, let's go. See what I mean? On a regular Wednesday night, look at this crowd. And this is just at the registration desk, the front counter of the Bellagio. Let's go check out the strip. So here we are on the Las Vegas Strip on a Wednesday night. Check that out. So what do you think, everyone? Is Vegas back? I think it is. Pluto. This isn't Disneyland. Or maybe it is. See, this is what happens when Mickey Mouse is out of work for a whole year. He's got to work on the Las Vegas Strip. Well, hello. If you're new to my channel, we can thank the mysterious magic of the YouTube algorithm. Hey, speaking of which, it would really help me out if you haven't subscribed already to take a moment and click the subscribe button down below. It's free, it's awesome, and really helps me out. By giving this video a huge like and thumbs up, it helps YouTube share this video and many other videos with awesome people like you from around the world. Hey, thanks! So hey, I'm LJ with today's Adventure Stop. Thanks for joining me today at our little visit to the Las Vegas Strip to see how busy it is, and also for a nice delicious bowl of noodles at the Shang Artisan Noodle place. Oh, that place is so awesome, it's the best. Do me a favor and give this video a nice like and thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to click the subscribe button down below. Take it one step further by clicking the bell notification to be notified when the next video hits. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye everyone.